Today we're exploring the design, performance, and features of the MSI Codex Z2 AMD to see who it's really for. This powerful gaming desktop has garnered an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 200 reviews, showcasing its potential as a top contender in the market. Let's dive into what makes this system tick. The MSI Codex Z2 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7-8700F, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads that can boost up to 5.0 GHz for seamless gaming performance and multitasking capabilities. This robust processor ensures smooth gameplay and efficient handling of demanding tasks. In addition to its powerful processor, the system also boasts an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, which is driven by NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell GPU architecture. This significant generational leap in rasterization and ray tracing performance enables a more immersive gaming experience, perfect for AAA titles and streaming enthusiasts alike. The MSI Codex Z2 features a sleek and modern design with Windows 11 Home as the operating system of choice. While MSI recommends using Windows 11 Pro for business use, this version still provides an excellent foundation for everyday computing needs. One notable aspect of this desktop is its cooling system, which includes 4 system fans, 3 in the front and 1 at the rear, that work in conjunction with an ARGB fan air cooler to keep temperatures under control while gaming. This thoughtful design ensures a cooler and more efficient operation. The system also comes equipped with 32GB DDR5 memory and a 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, providing ample storage space for your files, programs, and games. Additionally, the USB Type-C port offers flexibility in connecting peripherals and accessories. When it comes to display quality, we can't help but note that this desktop doesn't come with an integrated monitor or graphics card. Users will need to provide their own display device. However, the powerful GPU ensures smooth performance on any compatible screen. Performance-wise, the MSI Codex Z2 delivers impressive results in both gaming and everyday tasks. Whether you're streaming games, working on creative projects, or simply browsing the web, this system handles everything with ease. In terms of connectivity, the desktop offers a range of ports for peripherals, including USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet. It also supports virtual reality experiences through its VR-ready certification. While no system is perfect, the MSI Codex Z2 has its share of limitations. For instance, it doesn't come with a built-in 4K display or a separate graphics card for more advanced tasks. However, these minor drawbacks are somewhat offset by the desktop's impressive performance and feature set. Ultimately, this powerful gaming desktop is ideal for those who require a robust system for demanding tasks like gaming, streaming, and multitasking. If you're in the market for a reliable and high-performance PC, the MSI Codex Z2 AMD is definitely worth considering. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.